Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert a line arrow under a paragraph or text in Word. First, you are going to open your Word document. Now from the Insert menu, click on Text Box and then click on Draw Text Box. Adjust the text box. When doing so, press the underscore key and press Enter. You will see the line created. When you see it, you can enter and adjust the text that will go below the line. Adjust the text box. For a better presentation of this line, select the text box. The Shape Format menu will be activated. There, click on Shape Outline and then click on No Outline. You will see that the line and text are now much more elegant. You can move it wherever you want in the document. Another option that we offer you is from the Insert menu. Click on Equation. When added from the Accent menu, click on the option Over Bars. You will click outside the equation, select this bar, and from the home adjust its size. Then click on the box and enter the desired text. You will see the text created below the line. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.